Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to enable power saving mode on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G Android mobile phone. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your settings, just tap on it. When you tap on it you can a new interface just like this. Here you can see option of battery and device care, just tap on it. When you tap on it you can see another option like learning usage pattern, just tap on it. When you tap on it you can see another option power saving, just switch on the switch, and when you on the switch you can see a new interface. So when you switch on the switch your power saving mode is on, and you also have the option to enable battery saving to enable battery saver from the upper menu. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please hit a like button. Thank you.